Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time, hi, my name is Payal. I make beauty related content here on YouTube. So if that is something that interests you, please consider subscribing and also continue watching. So in today's video, I'm going to create this Eid look right here. So if you want to know how I got that look, so please continue watching. I'm prepping my lips with this lip balm from Organic Harvest. Next up, I'm prepping my entire face and my neck with this moisturizing lotion from Biotique. Then I'm going to use an illuminator from Swiss Beauty. It's in the shade Golden Pink. Next up, I'm going to use this orange corrector from the MAC Correct and Conceal palette. I'm going to use it under my eyes and also on some areas on my cheek. Going to use my fingers to spread the corrector all over my face. Now to set the corrector in place so that it doesn't mess up with the foundation, I'm using a loose powder. Then I'm using a foundation from Lakme. I'm applying it in my neck as well. I'm going to spread the foundation all over my face with this damp beauty blender. Next up, I'm going to use one concealer. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. I'm using this concealer under my eyes and a very little around my mouth. I'm blending that concealer with that same beauty blender, but this time I'm using the tip of the blender. Then I'm going to set all the places where I've used the concealer with a compact powder. This one is from MAC. It's the Studio Fix compact powder. Then I'm setting my entire face with this face mist from Plum Goodness. Then I'm filling up my brows. The eyebrow product that I'm using is from Sugar Cosmetics. Now it's time for the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to use this cream highlighter from Maybelline. I'm using this all over my eyelid and I'm very religiously spreading it. Then I'm using that liquid eyeshadow from Color Bar and I am spreading it all over my eyelid in a tapping motion. Then I'm using that bright yellow shade on my outer corner as well as on my crease. I will also be using that same yellow color on my bottom lash line as well. Now it's time to highlight my inner corner as well as my brow bone, and for that I'm using one highlighter from Wet n Wild. Then I'm drawing a very small wing liner with this eyeliner from Faces Canada. I'm using that nude lip liner in my lower waterline. Then I am putting a generous coat of mascara. This mascara is from L'Oreal Paris. You can keep it just till here, but I'm going to go a little extra and I'm going to use a false lashes. I want to give you guys that option that you can also wear false lashes with this look and it's going to look stunning. I've used that mascara in my lower lash line as well. Then I'm slightly contouring my face with that light color from the Contour Duo palette. Then I'm using a blush from Color Bar. Now it's time for the highlighter. I am using a generous amount of highlighter because I'm a highlighter junkie and I'm putting it in all the high points of my face. I decided to go for a nude lip shade, but you can always go for any other color, be it a pink color, be it a red color, a bold color, whatever it is, because the eye look that we have created is pretty neutral, so it will look good for all any other lip color as well. Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you like the content, please hit that like button and also share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay positive, stay at home. Love you all. Mwah. Take care. Bye bye, guys.